In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use free n8n templates the right way without breaking your workspace. If you're just getting started, this approach will save you time, reduce stress, and help you avoid common errors that trip up beginners. We'll begin by importing a template correctly. Head to n8n.io and open the Templates section. Browse and pick a template that matches what you want to automate. If you're using n8n Cloud, use the Import to your Cloud Workspace option. Avoid copying and pasting raw JSON unless you're comfortable troubleshooting it, because small formatting issues can cause big problems. Once the template is imported, it will open in your workspace. Resist the urge to activate it immediately. Many templates include actions that could run right away, and you want full control before anything goes live. Before you change anything, make a duplicate. Click the three dots at the top and choose Duplicate. This keeps a clean, untouched version as your backup. If something breaks or you go down the wrong path, you can return to the original without rebuilding from scratch. Skipping this step is the #1 beginner mistake. Next, fix credentials first. Most templates fail because they're missing required connections. Look for red warning icons on nodes. Open each affected node and check what it needs: API keys, OAuth accounts, webhook URLs, or database connections. Click Create New Credential where needed, and connect your own accounts. Treat the template as a blueprint, not a ready-to-run system. It won't work until it knows who you are and what services it should talk to. Now, take a moment to understand the workflow. Click through each node and read what it does. Identify what triggers the workflow, what data is being passed along, and what actions will happen. If a node sends emails, posts to social media, or updates a database, confirm that's truly what you want. Never activate something you don't fully understand. When you're ready to try it, test one node at a time. Use Execute step on each node to run it in isolation. Move slowly, watch the outputs, and fix errors as they appear. Error messages are helpful hints. Use them to guide your changes. Only activate after everything passes. When there are no red warnings, credentials are connected, and each step executes cleanly, click Activate. Then monitor the Executions tab for the first few runs to confirm the workflow behaves as expected. To wrap up, avoid the usual pitfalls: missing keys, wrong credentials, activating too early, skipping the duplicate, and ignoring errors. Templates are starting points. Learn from them, modify them gradually, and understand the logic. That's how you use free n8n templates without breaking everything.